Hey, good morning guys, how we doing? My name is Dave and got a new video for you today. We're going to start this project that I've been thinking about doing for a while now. I'm going to put together some shop cabinets, mount them on the side of my garage. Then I'm going to build a miter saw station. And I'm going to mount my new DeWalt miter saw that I got here laying on the floor of my garage. So I've already got some material from Home Depot. I went and I got 3 4x8 sheets of sanded plywood. I had them rip it down into 15-inch strips lengthwise. They did that on the panel saw, so it saves me the trouble of doing it here. Here's kind of going to be the location of where all this is going to go. I've already got the electrical run, so the cabinets will go up top. In my miter saw station, I'll go ahead and build custom underneath that electrical conduit line there. So all set and ready to go. Got the table saw set up, got the wood bench set up, and ready to get started. So this will be the first in a series of videos for this project, so stand by. Okay guys, so next step is ripping down the 15-inch strips of 3/4 inch plywood that Home Depot already pre-ripped for me. The dimensions of my cabinets are going to be 31 inches high, 25 inches wide, and 15 inches deep. So the good thing about building these cabinets yourself is that you can make them however you want, however high you want, however wide you want, however deep you want. So those are the dimensions that I came up with. That's going to fit for me. So we're going to rip down these strips into smaller pieces of the cabinets. We'll do the gables, which are the sides, then we'll do the top and the bottom, and then eventually we'll do the backs. The backs will be made out of 1/4 inch sanded plywood. Haven't purchased that yet, we'll get that later. So we'll start ripping this down here on my table saw. I'm not cool enough to have the crosscut sled yet. It's on the list, like 87th down on the list. But we're gonna make do with this and just try to get these things done. And so stand by and we'll be right back after we rip everything down. Hey guys, so we got everything cut down to the proper length or height, 31 inches. So these are two sides. This is going to be the left and right side of one of the cabinets. So I need to find out how to cut my top and bottom pieces and what size or what length those need to be. So the easiest way for me to figure it out is doing a little bit of math. To get it exactly correct, what I do is I take my tape measure and I take the exact width of my two pieces, my two gables, the two sides. And my tape measure says that it's 1 7/16. 1 7/16. Well, if I know that I want the outside of my cabinet to be 25 inches from outside to outside, what I do is I download a little fraction app, since I'm horrible at math, and I'll do 25 minus 1 7/16, and then I'll hit equal, and it's going to give me 23 9/16. So I know that if I cut my top and bottom to 23 9/16 of an inch, I'm going to have a total of 25 inches from outside to outside. Okay, so we'll go ahead and cut down, I need 6 of those, so we'll go ahead and cut down 6 pieces of plywood at 23 9/16. Okay, so next step. We got all of the gables, we got the tops and bottoms all cut. So the next thing I'm going to do with these cabinets, I'm just going to try to get most of my material cut today. So we need to do some shelving. I'm going to put 2 shelves in each cabinet for a total of 6 shelves. So if I do my math correctly, again on my trusty little fraction app, the inside width of the cabinet is what we just cut, right? The top and bottom, 23 9/16. I'm gonna have those shelf pins, which are about 1/8 of an inch thick, so you're gonna have to give some space for that. So if I just take a quarter, ant on me, if I just take a 1/4 inch off of the 23 9/16, that'll give me 23 5/16. And that's what I'll go ahead and cut my shelves at. We'll cut 6 of those right now. As soon as we get done, we'll come back and then we'll talk about assembly. Okay, guys, I think this is a good point to stop this first video for this cabinet miter station build. In today's video, we were able to get all the material ripped down. I have the sides, I have the top and bottoms, and then I have the shelves all set and ready to go. In the next video that I'll do, we'll add some edge banding to the sides of the wood that's going to be facing front. We'll give these a quick sand, and then we'll go ahead and start the assembly. And I'll show you all the jigs that I have and the jigs that I use that make that a very, very simple process. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned. We'll get the next one out and the one after that, and then hopefully we can get through this project in a short amount of time. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.